Edit ko na lang.
Yan. Ano nga ulit? No, wait lang. Itsura ko. Okay, okay na yan.
Okay na yan?
Laki talaga nung ako nakakainis.
Okay na yan.
Okay na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Describe daddy in one word.
Wait lang. Impromptu.
Okay, 1,
Wait lang.
2, 3.
Di, yung noo ko. Dapat sa liwanag. Ganyan.
Go. 1, okay na ba? Wala, si Quishad lang yan. Si Pam. 1, 2, 3, go. Describe daddy in one word.
Daddy is... Hindi naman one word to. Good cook.
Sabihin mo na lang.
2 words.
Go.
Describe
Describe
daddy.
that in one word. Describe daddy in one word. Bagal?
Wait nga lang.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Naalala ko lang may SpongeBob. Ang tawa. Ulit. Ito na. 1, 2, 3, go. Describe daddy in one word.
Responsible.
One thing you like about daddy.
I like his cooking. I like his cooking.
Greetings.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Ayun, guys. Wait lang, hindi yun yung greetings ko. Greetings. Happy birthday, Daddy. More blessings to come. Good girl. Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. Hi, Daddy. May sinyo.
Go.
Hi, Daddy.
Maria!
Hindi na tayo natapos. Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. I pray. Ano nga ba yan?
Nagsiseryoso na ako.
Bakit ka kasi?
Nagsiseryoso na ako. Ano? Hindi naman. Ano? Describe daddy in one word.
One word? Akala ko maraming words.
One lang?
Sige. Si Ninang ay,
Ulit nga.
one thing I like.
One thing you like about daddy.
Ayan, one thing I like about Ninang is to you and to your family. Happy birthday, Nino, and thank you po happy
Greetings. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Describe daddy in one word.
masipag.
One thing you like about daddy.
One thing I like about Ninong, one thing lang.
Oo.
Pwede marami.
Hindi. One lang.
Strict. Hindi, ano siya, like yung pagiging sobrang family-oriented niya. Like, lagi siyang, tama ba yung term ko? Yung alam mo yun, yung sobrang maaruga niya sa pamilya niya. Kana, laging nauna sila. Tapos, yung parang, alam mo yun, yung lahat Basta, pero ano kasi, sabi ko to dati na parang nakikita ko siya as a role model ng parang gusto ko maging even na sa future kapag ay wag! Ang weird.
Go. One thing you like about daddy. Ay! Describe daddy in one word.
Mapagmahal.
One thing you like about daddy.
Siya yung palagi nag-aasikaso at siya palagi nagmamahal sa amin ng tunay. Ng tunay.
Greeting.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Love you more. Happy birthdays to come.
Go. Describe daddy in one word.
Pogi. Pogi si daddy.
Galing!
No.
One thing you like about daddy.
Yung palagi siyang may time sa family niya.
Greetings.
Great.
Happy birthday pa. Love you.
Okay na yan. Okay lang kaya. Edit. Go. Taksan ko na lang sa edit. Okay, describe daddy in one word.
Mapagmahal.
What do you like about daddy?
Always present. Yung parang kahit sobrang busy niya, gagawa pa rin siya ng paraan para lang, ganun.
Okay. And greetings.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.